the most delicious chocolate chips ever you can make. So tasty, moist, fluffy, you name it. And here little track, it makes the difference and taste, aroma even better. And how to bake it to keep, as you see, the chocolate melted inside. 1 whole egg, pinch of vanilla. I prefer vanilla extract, but I don't have this time, so I use vanilla sugar. We mix together, whisk, whisk, whisk to be fluffy. I take some from chocolate chips from the same recipe to decorate on top. So melted butter, normally I use oil, but I want to be very rich muffin, so I make melted butter. Dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Let's say the ingredients, and I will leave it in description box below. When I mix egg, sugar, I added, as you see, the milk, whole milk, 3.5 fat, and then yogurt or sour cream, whatever you have, but I prefer plain yogurt. Yogurt really give nice kick to the chocolate chips. 165 gram flour, 3 gram salt. Salt because to make balance for the sweetness of the chocolate. 2 gram baking powder, 1 gram baking soda, 150 milli fresh milk, 60 gram melted butter, 100 gram sugar, only 1 egg, 30 gram yogurt, 130 gram chocolate chips. As you saw, so fluffy, nice, moist. I keep it to rest for 10 minutes before pour in the mold. These are very nice steps. You must wait. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa 2011, corporate pastry chef for many cruise line, Norwegian Cruise Line, MSC, Pullman Tour, Royal Caribbean, and all my experience, I make it in this channel. So I fill up the mold. Actually, there is paper for muffin especially, but what I have only a cupcake mold. I fill it all. This is the rest of the chocolate to decorate on top to give nice touch. And here I bake 210 for 22 minutes. Why so high? Because I want to choke all the side of the cupcake so to keep inside moist. This is the track of the baking, 210 for almost 20 minutes. As you see, beautiful, great chocolate chips you will never forget. Don't work hard, just work smart. Ahmed Younis. Please leave comment. Tell us what you feel about our channel and how can we improve to meet your expectation. Thank you.